Hi, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 3 Neo Sport sedan, stock reference number 4379. This shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It's fitted with an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and right hand side. We have the left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, 5-wire type. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.